Everyone, this is another video I'm doing for you guys. Please give me a favor, subscribe. Okay, I understand you guys doesn't like to subscribe. When you subscribe, there's nothing wrong with it. You get to see some of my stuff if you check to have people notification. If you don't check notification, you enjoy my video. It's very helpful. I don't think it doesn't cost that much to subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Please, that's help the channel. Now this video is about this spot welder. I was trying to do another video before that. I don't know what happened to the video, so I was not able to finish it. Let me tell you guys something about this spot welder. Okay, this is the spot welder. It's fully operational. Now let me show you something else next to it. That's another, is the same unit. Same exact same thing. What happened is this thing is not working. Okay, I was in my home country. I left the whole spot welder in my home country. They plugged the negative and the positive and the negative. So somehow, some way, this thing get messed up. I believe what burned is some parts inside of here that burn. Okay, I think some parts is here was burned. So I don't know how to replace it. So I got to talk to manufacturer, see if I can replace it. But I didn't know exactly what it was. I need a real good spot welder. I know this is pretty good. I use it multiple times. It's all never fail for me. So the reason I changed the main unit, this part, I removed this from this because I order it directly from their website, MALECTRIC, that something. MALECTRIC spot welder. If you go Google it, you'll find it. I purchased it from them. I just purchased only the unit. They sent it to me. I just replace it. I have a video to show you how to put it together. Okay, it's straightforward. Okay, this thing works 100%. It works, and this is the best I ever purchased because I have found a bunch of other people making. They are making videos. They tell you this thing works, and when you go and purchase it, the damn thing doesn't work. They're trying to show you that they fix it. For example, I have this thing here. Somebody told me to do this, do that, do this, do that. After I did all the stuff, it's still broken. So this is work pretty good. So now I got two of them because I ordered this part and I ordered that part and I removed this out of it because this unit has something blown up in there. Okay, so I order it and they send me a brand new unit. Okay, and that thing costs $90. The whole thing together, it costs you about somewhere $150 US. But if you order only that part, which is this thing, it costs you about 92, close to $100. So all I need is this part. So I didn't know what else is broken in there. So now I'm going to try to fix this one, order the rest of the parts, so get another one because it works properly. So now the battery is pretty good. I just purchased the battery. I was using this battery. I thought something was wrong with the spot welder. Well, the battery is dead, so it wasn't producing that much power. Now I have this. This is, guys, if you're looking for a spot welder, I haven't been using it that long, but I have used it multiple times. Okay, I have not found any flaw in this thing, man. Okay, now with 10, I'm gonna show you a couple spot weld for you guys. You're gonna see how this thing works. This is not I'm not somebody trying to make views. A lot of people are trying to make views and just bought a spot welder for $25 and into spot or nothing. Those are batteries that I need for my house. If you watch my previous video, I currently has no electricity. I'm using on solar. Okay, let me do a couple spot welder for you guys. I put it on 10 because that's the strip is. Let me show you what the strip is. Can you guys read this? Upside down. This is the strip. 0.2. This thing does it no problem, and I like it. 0.2 pure nickel strip. So it works. Now watch this. Can you guys see? Let me see. Okay. I'll have to try to pull it because this is battery gonna go in production. And I'm not trying to get some views on this battery. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see it on my other video that I'm uploading. Okay, guys. Let me show you guys this thing. So this is the mark. That's with 10. Okay, guys. It works so good. It's not those spot welder. They claim they can make 2.2, and this thing doesn't work. This is another one I'm doing for you guys. This is very thick. This is 0.2. It's pretty thick. This is pure nickel strip. This is a pack of battery I'm doing, and I'm gonna put in production sometime tomorrow because I'm ordering some more because this is finished. This is finished. I ordered some more. I'm gonna show you what I've been doing with it. Let me show you now. See, I did this part. See, I'm missing a couple on the bottom, and I did a bunch of them there. They're missing a couple. Okay, guys. They're all missing. I probably need 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let me see how many is in there. 10, 7. This is 7. I need 14 more. On one side, 14 more on the other side. Okay, folks. I have some more in here, which I did a few of them there. See, guys? So far, this machine will tell you exactly how many spot welded I do. I don't know why this picture goes like this. Okay. Based on this number, I think I got 1,053. The battery is pretty strong. I just start using the battery, heat up sometime. The battery is 14.4 74S LiFo. It's really good. It's really good. I like it. Yeah, I purchased the battery for $39. Okay, guys, let me do another one for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It helps the channel. Okay? My channel is all about what I do and what make you guys save money. Right now, I need electricity. I'm about to put all those batteries into production. So you will have a new video pretty soon. I think by tomorrow we'll have a new set of battery pack on my pack. That's bringing up to, I haven't do the calculation how many kilowatt I have here. Okay, folks, this is an update about what this spot welder can do. The name is MALECTRIC spot welder. It works pretty good. It does the job. And I think compared to this, is cost about $130. This costs about $30 to $50. Okay, then you got the modification. Then it still get broken. Okay, I think this is broken too. You see? You don't need to go to all that stuff, man. Spend the money. Buy good stuff. Okay? Spend the money. Don't buy some junk from China. Okay? This little machine works. This little machine works a little bit better. It's pretty good. Until your body went low, and then the thing died. You will die because you won't know when it went low. Okay, folks? This is a very good machine. I do not know yet to recommend this. So far, it hasn't failed me. Even though I've changed the whole thing. That was user error. Even though I changed the whole thing, that was user error. If somebody doesn't know how to plug it back, it will end up and tie everything, plug it the wrong way, then it's spark. Whatever happened, the thing died. Well, something on the board burned, so I gotta get it fixed. In the meantime, that's why I went and buy another one. It's easy to replace the part, to put a new part in there. It's very good. Easy to replace the part, put it in there. Okay? I'm gonna do some more until I can guarantee you this. I will do at least minimum 20,000 spot welder. 20,000 I can do in this thing by tomorrow. I got a lot of body to do here. That's a lot of bodies lining up there. I got some more over there. Okay, I have some more in the other room. So if I complete all those battery in my home country, I have at least 10,000 little batteries like this. I have at least 10,000 little batteries. They all need spot welder. They all need to be together. You imagine you got 10,000 times 2 in each batteries. It's about 20,000. Plus you got to cost them. After I complete this thing, I will tell you guys, if this thing doesn't break down, I will tell you I can go buy it. For the time being, but this is so far so good. This is the best so far among all those nonsense they put out there. Or that I try. I try a bunch of them. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share.